Hello friend, I am Samadip back with new tutorial video regarding RCC. In my last video, I talked about CRS bar and completed all type of steel using reinforcement. If you didn't watch this video, go check out from this I button. Otherwise, you go to playlist section and then check out this video. So today we learn type of load we considered in where we considered in design. So gradually we are moving towards the design, the most beautiful thing. Acha. Before talking about these types of load, okay, what we learn? Basically types of load and their IS code. Okay, I am writing here type of loads and IS code. This is we are learning from this video. Okay, we were studying these types of load. When you go through the SOM, I mean to strength of material or theory of structure, you may encounter with lots of types of load. It may be point load, it may be UDL, it may be UVL. But practical scenario, PL almost not working. There is some chances you may encounter UVL, but mostly you are encounter with UDL. Okay, so most kind of loads, it's like a UDL. So from RCC point of view, basically there is 5 to 6 types of load. Number 1, dead load. Number 2, life load. Number 3, wind load. Number 4, snow load. Number 5, earthquake load. Okay, now we'll talk about one by one. First, we talk about the dead load. This load comes from structure. This load comes from structure. These are permanent load. Why permanent? Assuming that you are creating a home. Okay. So ये तो permanent ही होगा. If this happen sudden one morning, fine morning, you will see your home is vanished by someone. Not possible. That is why it's a basically permanent load. Okay. So basically, what kind of things are considered in this dead load? Basically self weight, odd beam, column, wall, floor, specifically slab, stair, lintel, everything comes under this dead load. So if you consider what is the IS code for this, IS code is IS 875 part 1. Sometime you have to remember some standard value. So now I talk about the standard value of the dead load. PCC, dead load is kilonewton per meter cube. This is known as your unit weight. that is weight per volume. Okay, so this is 24, value of RCC is 25 and steel is 78. These three are, please remember, sometimes ask question from PCC and RCC. Yes, once I faced this question, and there are so many more. If you want, just do Google. So yeah, this is all about dead load. Now we talk about live load. Live load means सिंपल सी बात है, घर में जो जो रहेंगे, ओनर का फैमिली, गेस्ट, these all are the live load basically. So these are load coming from the living element. These are temporary. Why temporary? Because it's not like you are continuously staying 24 hours. You are going to shop, you are going to the vacation, you are going to the going to for the work, then your room is the vacant. Sometimes many guests many guests will come your home. So considering all this situation, live load are the very temporary. So what is the IS code? The IS code is 875, IS 875 part 2. Next is wind load. When it should be applied? Generally high-rise building. You have to calculate your wind load or wind speed. IS code is 875 part 3, and this is depend on height, depend on velocity. Why? Because if you remember your fluid mechanics, we know that pressure equal to rho gh. Pressure increase, height increases. So depend on height. You standing, suppose this is a building. You standing on second floor. You feel a wind speed. You standing in the top floor. So just apply your common sense. The wind you realize more rather than the wind in the second floor, and definitely velocity. So these live loads are depend on this height and velocity, and IS code is 87 part 3. Another is no load. This load applied in mountain area. Okay, and IS code is 875 part 4. Okay, this no load calculated only roof area, and last is earthquake load. IS code is 1893202. Depend on earthquake zone. कहाँ पे आप रहते हो? Yeah, that's it. When we'll start design, then we have to find how to calculate the load. This load are considered when we design, but how we calculate load, that will you may see when we start the design. So yeah, this is the short and simple video regarding types of load, where I discuss all types: dead load, live load, wind load, snow load, earthquake load, as well as we mentioned the IS code also here, 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 I hope there will be no kind of doubt. If you have some doubt, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you find some value from my video, then definitely share the video with your circle. And next video we'll discuss methods of RCC design. ठीक है? So with this thing, thank you for watching this video. See you soon. Take care. Goodbye.